Hey everyone, back with another new easy recipe for you guys, and it serves 2 people. It's a broccoli and cheddar cheese shrimp dish. Here's what you'll need. A bag of the frozen small shrimp. You'll need a bag of the riced broccoli, ragu double cheddar cheese sauce, butter, pink salt, pepper, cayenne if you like it hot, a fry pan with spatula and cover, and a 1 cupper. Let's start by opening up the shrimp and draining all the water out of it. And then let's heat 2 pads of butter in your fry pan on a heat a little higher than medium. Then add in your shrimp after the butter's melted and add over it heavily pink salt, light pepper, and cayenne, like I said, if you like it hot. Give it a stir. Then we're going to cover this and let it cook. While that's cooking, let's heat up our riced broccoli in the microwave. It takes 6 minutes in my microwave. And while that's heating, let's go ahead and give our shrimp a stir because it cooks fast, and then cover it again, let it continue to cook. Once that's done, you're going to add your cooked riced broccoli, 1 cup of the double cheddar cheese ragu sauce, and then we're going to stir it and turn it on simmer and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. You're going to cover it too. Then we're going to go ahead and serve up. Like I said, this was 2 servings, could be more than 2, but I made it into 2 since I do 1 meal a day. And the carb count on it was 15 net carbs for the entire dish. So that plate right there is only 7 net carbs. And wow, this was really delicious. Definitely try this one out. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and I will have a eating show on this recipe on Saturday. Everybody keep it keto.